What's up, everybody? Today I want to tell you about a tool that I found to be super helpful for everything from plumbing to electrical to small mechanical jobs. An inspection mirror can save the day. You've probably seen your dentist use one of these, or a smaller version anyway, to take a look inside your mouth for cavities and fillings and whatever it is dentists look for. Well, these things are great for tradesmen too. I used this thing just last week as I was working on a plumbing drain, a sink drain, and one of the connections had failed, but I couldn't tell exactly where the leak was coming from. Pulled this thing out and stuck it down underneath the subfloor and was able to look around on the bottom of the pipe where the leak was actually originating and figure out which connection failed and replace it. It's also helpful when you're working on maybe cars or trucks and you're trying to either get a bolt in and you can't see exactly where the bolt hole is, or maybe you're trying to get an engine out and there's one bolt holding up the engine from coming out and you thought you got everything. Well, you're able to peek around every angle of every mount and make sure you got every bolt out with a small mirror like this. You can pick these up in all shapes and sizes. Most of them have a telescoping handle like this one. Comes out to about 2 feet. You can get them in different size and shape heads. This is about a 2-inch round one. You can also get rectangular or square mirror heads on them. They even make them with built-in lights. Although I've found that to be just one more set of batteries to replace, and the light tends to shine back in your eyes and really hurt more than it helps. I've found this to be helpful in combination with a small pen light. You can pick these up just about anywhere for about 10 bucks. You can get them at Harbor Freight for a little bit less, or you can spend a little bit more on some higher name brand ones. If you're pretty rough on tools and can be kind of careless, just get a cheap one. I'm not one to recommend cheap tools, but even the more expensive ones are delicate enough with this telescoping handle, not to mention the glass mirror head, that it doesn't take much to drop a tool or a piece of lumber on it and it's busted and you're out that 10 or 15 bucks. So maybe a cheap one can be just the ticket. So if any of those situations that I mentioned sound like something that you could find a use for one of these, go ahead and pick one up. You won't be disappointed. I've also found this useful if I'm just putting a drain connection together, or really any kind of plumbing connection, and I want to make sure that it's leak free. I can get really up close and personal and on all sides of the joint with this to make sure there are no leaks. Comment below and let me know what your favorite tools are when it comes to house repair and maintenance. We'll see you next time.